Engagement parties in 2026 are all about celebrating love with stylish, photo-worthy decor, DIY backdrops, elegant balloons, and romantic details help create a beautiful space for unforgettable memories.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are DIY engagement party decorations trending in 2026? Couples are choosing DIY decor to create personalized celebrations that reflect their love story. In 2026, meaningful and aesthetic setups are more important than expensive events. Love romantic celebrations? Like this, if DIY wins. Where should I place the backdrop for best results? Choose a well-lit wall or open space. Natural lighting enhances photos and makes the decor stand out beautifully. Spot chosen, like this, if lighting matters. What table decor matches engagement party themes? Use candles, floral centerpieces, and elegant table runners. Coordinated table styling completes the overall decor. Table ready? Like this, if elegance excites you. What props work best for engagement photos? Use signs, ring props, champagne glasses, or personalized items. Props make photos more fun and meaningful. Props ready? Like this if details matter. What materials can be used for DIY decorations? Fabric, paper decor, wood signs, and greenery are great options. Mixing materials adds texture and depth to the setup. Materials ready? Like this, if creative decor wins. What colors work best for engagement party decor? Blush pink, white, champagne, gold, and soft neutrals create a romantic palette. These tones feel elegant and timeless for engagement celebrations. Palette chosen? Like this, if soft elegance shines. What makes an engagement party truly memorable? The love, joy, and shared moments create lasting memories. Decorations simply enhance those special experiences. Feeling the love? Like this, if it feels unforgettable. What balloon decorations work best for engagement parties? Balloon garlands in blush white and gold create a soft, romantic look. Organic balloon designs keep the setup modern and stylish. Balloon setup planned like this if soft clusters win. How can I make this setup feel modern in 2026? Use neutral palettes, organic balloon designs, and simple layouts. These elements keep the decor fresh and stylish. Modern style approved? Like this, if fresh design wins. How can I keep the decor minimal yet elegant? Focus on key elements and avoid overcrowding. Clean designs often look more polished and modern. Minimal approved? Like this, if less feels more. How can I create a DIY engagement backdrop? Use fabric drapes, floral accents, and a "she said yes" or engaged sign. Balloon garlands can frame the backdrop beautifully. Backdrop ready, like this, if photo moments matter. How can flowers enhance the engagement decor? Floral arrangements, garlands, or hanging flowers add elegance and romance. Flowers make the setup feel fresh and visually stunning. Florals added, like this if blooms matter. Engagement party decor in 2026 focuses on romance, simplicity, and meaningful details. With DIY backdrops, balloons, and thoughtful styling, you can create a celebration that feels beautiful and unforgettable. Loved these engagement party ideas? Like and come back for more celebration inspiration.